Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I'm Emma, and we are so happy you're here with us today. On this channel, we teach English in a simple, friendly, and natural way, using real life situations that you experience every day.
Hello, everyone. This is Tom, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you're listening from. Emma, how has your day been so far?
Well, my day started with a small shock.
Oh, no. What happened?
I walked into my bedroom, looked at the laundry basket, and it was completely full.
Completely full? Like, I need a second basket full?
Exactly. I have no idea how it became that big.
Laundry has a mysterious talent. It grows when we are not looking.
Yes, I'm sure I wore only a few clothes this week, but somehow the pile disagrees.
That sounds very familiar. Actually, this morning I looked at my laundry basket and thought, maybe if I ignore it, it'll disappear.
Did it work?
Unfortunately, no.
Well, that's perfect because today we are talking about something very real and very practical, doing the laundry at home.
But before we start sorting socks and choosing washing cycles, we have a small favor to ask.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners around the world.
And don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Learn English if you haven't already.
Also, leave a comment below. Tell us honestly, how often do you do laundry?
Every week? Every 2 weeks? Or only when you run out of clean clothes?
Be honest, we understand.
All right, Emma, before we start washing clothes, let's answer an important question.
Why are we talking about laundry in an English lesson?
Exactly. Some people might think, laundry's boring. How can this help my English?
But daily tasks are actually the best way to learn natural English.
Yes, because this is real life. This is the kind of English people actually use at home.
When you say, I'm doing the laundry, that's not textbook English. That's real conversation.
And laundry includes many useful words and verbs that we use often.
Like wash, dry, fold, sort, hang, and clean.
And maybe the most important sentence, where are my socks?
Yes, socks always disappear.
Laundry teaches us practical vocabulary that we can use every week.
And the best part is you can practice English while you're actually doing the task.
For example, you can say, I am sorting the clothes.
Or this shirt is dirty.
Or even, I need more detergent.
When you connect English to real actions, your brain remembers it better.
Because you're not just memorizing words, you are using them.
Exactly. That's why daily life English is so powerful.
Instead of thinking, I have to do laundry, you can think, I get to practice English while doing laundry.
That's a much better mindset. All right, Tom, before we even touch the washing machine, we have to start with the first and most important step.
Sorting the clothes?
Exactly. If you skip this step, you might create a colorful disaster.
Ah, yes, the famous pink shirt accident.
Have you done that before?
Let's just say I once mixed a white shirt with a red sweater, and the white shirt changed its identity.
That's exactly why sorting is important.
So what does sorting mean?
Sorting means separating clothes into different groups before washing them.
For example, we separate white clothes, dark clothes, and colored clothes.
You can say, I'm sorting the laundry, or these are light colors.
We also check for stains,
Yes, a stain is a dirty mark on clothing.
like a coffee stain or a food stain,
If a shirt has a stain, you might need to treat it before washing.
especially if the stain tells the story of yesterday's lunch.
Very true.
We also check the pockets.
Yes, that's very important.
You can say, I am checking the pockets,
Because sometimes people forget things inside.
like tissues.
Oh no, not tissues.
Yes, if you wash a tissue by mistake, it explodes into tiny white pieces everywhere.
And then your clothes look like they were in a snowstorm.
Laundry drama.
So, step one is simple but very important. Sort the clothes, check for stains, and empty the pockets. Yes.
All right, Emma. The clothes are sorted, the pockets are checked, and there are no dangerous tissues inside.
Good. That already feels like a success.
So now it's time to load the washing machine.
Yes. First, we open the washing machine door.
Then we put the clothes inside carefully.
Not too many clothes, because if the machine is too full, the clothes won't wash properly.
You can say, I'm putting the clothes into the washing machine.
Or the machine is full.
And sometimes we try to add one more shirt, even when there's no space.
Yes, we always think it'll fit.
After putting the clothes inside, we need detergent.
Detergent is a cleaning liquid or powder that washes the clothes.
You can say, I am adding detergent.
Some people also add fabric softener to make the clothes smell nice and feel soft.
That fresh laundry smell is very satisfying.
Next, we choose the settings.
We select the temperature, the washing cycle, and press the start button.
For example, you can say, I'm selecting the normal cycle.
And this is the moment of truth. Did we choose the correct setting?
Yes, because the wrong setting can surprise you later.
Like when your sweater suddenly becomes, smaller.
Laundry lesson number 1. Always check the label.
So step 2 is simple. Load the machine, add detergent, choose the right cycle, and press start.
All right, Tom, the washing machine is running.
Yes, and it's making that familiar sound.
That spinning, swishing sound.
It almost sounds like the machine is working very hard and saying, don't worry, I've got this.
Yes, the machine is doing the work now.
So what do we do while we wait?
Waiting time is perfect conversation time.
Or English practice time.
Exactly. You can say, the washing machine is running.
Or the clothes are spinning.
This is a great moment to use the present continuous tense.
Because the action is happening right now.
You can also say, the cycle is almost finished.
What does cycle mean?
A cycle is one complete washing process. Wash, rinse, and spin.
And sometimes the machine makes a loud noise during the spin cycle.
Yes, especially when it shakes a little.
And we stand there watching it just in case.
Laundry can be surprisingly exciting.
While waiting, we can also talk about our day.
Yes, we can say, I am waiting for the laundry to finish.
Or, I am planning my next task.
Even small moments like this can become English practice.
Instead of scrolling on your phone, you can describe what is happening around you.
That's how daily life English becomes natural.
All right, Emma, I hear a sound.
Yes, that means the washing cycle is finished.
The moment of truth.
Let's open the machine and see the results.
You can say, I am taking the clothes out of the washing machine.
And now the clothes are clean, but still wet.
Yes, they are fresh and clean, but they need to dry.
There are 2 main ways to dry clothes.
We can use a dryer.
Or we can hang them on the clothesline.
If you use a dryer, you can say, I am putting the clothes into the dryer.
And then choose the drying settings and press start.
And hope nothing shrinks.
Yes, always check the label before using high heat.
If you don't use a dryer, you can hang the clothes.
You can say, I'm hanging the shirts on hangers.
Or I'm hanging the clothes outside.
Fresh air makes clothes smell even better.
But before hanging, it's important to shake the clothes gently.
Yes, that helps remove wrinkles.
And what about forgotten items in pockets?
Yes, the famous tissue accident.
If you forget a tissue in your pocket, tiny pieces of paper stick to everything.
And then you say, oh no, I forgot to check the pockets.
Laundry teaches us responsibility.
And vocabulary. All right, Tom, the clothes are dry.
And they smell amazing.
Now comes a very important step, folding and organizing.
Ah, yes, the step where some people are very skilled and some people need help.
Are you saying you need help?
Let's just say my folding style is creative.
All right, show me how you fold a shirt.
I fold it quickly like this.
Tom, that's not folding. That's just bending it in half.
It's efficient.
Maybe, but we want the clothes to look neat.
Okay, teach me properly.
First, you lay the shirt flat on the table.
Then fold the sleeves inward.
And fold the shirt carefully into a rectangle.
You can say, I am folding the clothes.
Or I am stacking the shirts.
After folding, we organize the clothes.
Yes, we put them into the drawer or the closet.
You can say, I am putting the clothes in the closet.
Or now, we can say, I am arranging the shirts. Organizing makes it easier to find your clothes later.
And it feels satisfying when everything is in its place.
Folding clothes step by step is similar to learning English.
How so?
You do it slowly, carefully, and consistently.
And in the end, everything looks organized.
Exactly.
Well, Emma, the clothes are clean, dry, folded, and organized.
Yes, and the laundry basket is finally empty.
For now.
Yes, we all know it will slowly fill up again.
But today, we did it step by step.
And that's the key lesson. Laundry feels overwhelming when you look at the whole pile.
But when you sort, wash, dry, and fold one step at a time, it becomes manageable.
And learning English is exactly the same.
You don't need to learn everything in one day.
You just need small daily practice.
Today, we learned words like sort, detergent, cycle, dry, and fold.
And we practiced useful sentences like, I am doing the laundry. The machine is running. I am folding the clothes.
These are real-life sentences that people actually use.
That's what makes daily life English so powerful.
Instead of thinking laundry is boring, you can think laundry is English practice.
That's a positive way to look at it.
And when you finish a task like this, you feel accomplished
Clean clothes, clear mind.
and a little better English.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English for more real-life conversations.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your least favorite laundry task?
Sorting socks, folding sheets.
Be honest, we understand.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.